Good morning. We've got a lot of wind and a little bit of snow out there, creating blizzard conditions across northern Iowa. This is our Algona SchoolNet webcam. Even in town, visibilities are pretty bad, and we got a little skiff of snow across the streets. Now out in the open areas, it's even worse. We've got the very strong winds gusting over 40, even over 45 miles per hour at times across central Iowa. A little bit lighter winds off to the east, but the strongest winds are just now building in here from south central Minnesota. So we do expect winds to gust between 40, even upwards of 50 miles per hour through the morning hours. Then this afternoon, the winds won't be quite as strong, but it will still be strong enough to create blowing snow conditions all day long. It is lowering visibilities. Algona now visibility at or below 1/4 of a mile. Ames down to 3/4 of a mile. And we have reports in Boone down to near zero in the country areas. And numerous cars are now reported as being in the ditches in Boone County. We've got snow showers right through central Iowa, light to moderate snow, but it's all being blown around by those very gusty winds. Now, this is the latest road condition map from the Iowa DOT. All the orange shaded roads here, including most of northern Iowa, even a portion here of I-35, travel is not advised. In central Iowa, our roads are partially to mostly snow covered already, and we're just getting started. The worst conditions today are expected up to the north, and the blizzard warning from Mason City through Fort Dodge, even down toward Boone. Here in Polk County, we're under a winter weather advisory until this evening as well. The snow showers will continue off and on throughout the day. They extend upwards into Minnesota. The whole system, though, is across the Great Lakes as that pressure difference between that extreme low and the incoming high, creating all of the wind. Now, we'll watch for the snow showers to continue off and on through about noontime today. We'll catch a break every now and again, but then by 5-6 p.m., the best chances of snow will be east of I-35, and then that will slowly work its way out of here with just light snow totals expected, maybe an inch or less. 20 degrees right now in Des Moines. It's really blustery, headed for 23 degrees. Wind chills throughout the afternoon close to zero. Watch for the blowing snow to create whiteout conditions, especially in the open areas most of today. Tomorrow, it won't be as windy, but still blustery and still really cold for the whole week ahead. So grab the warm coats and be extra careful as you head out today.